Assalaamu alaykum and welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. Today we're looking at page 33 of the Safar Abridged Qaidah. So we've got another mixed exercise. We're taking into account the two lean sounds that we've encountered in the last two lessons. So have a nice practice, have a good practice of these before you come to this lesson, inshallah. If you haven't practiced already, please pause the video here, have a practice, and then we'll go through the sounds, inshallah. Okay, so in box number 1, you've got kaf, a ya, and a fa. Kaf joins the ya, kai. Because the kaf got a fatha, it joins that ya, so it's that lean, kai. Fa with a fatha, fa, kaifa. Box number 2, dal joins the ya with a kasra, di, 1 second stretch. Noon has a kasra, ni, dini. Notice the pretend smile. Because of the kasras, you want to smile, get that correct sound out. Fa, box number 3, fa joins the waw with the fatha, lean, faw. Za, alif, and you got that fathatain. Here, remember the alif's going to be silent. So it's zan, fawzan. The only time you'll read that alif is if you're going to stop on that word or on that sound, but that's comes later on in the stopping section. Box number 4, doi, ra. So dod joins the ya with the fatha, doi, ra, fatha, ra, doi, ra. Next one, we've got the ta with the dhamma followed by a joining waw. So you got that stretch, tu, tu. Remember ta's full mouth, tu. Ra with the kasra, ri, turi, turi. Okay. Box 6, meme joining meme with the fatha joining a waw. So maw, maw. Ra, fathatain, ran, mawran. Box number 7, ba joining a ya with the fatha, so it's bay. Noon the kasra, ni, bayni, bayni. Yeah. Box 8, sin, ya fatha, say. Ra, fathatain, ran, sayran. All this extra that I'm saying is just to build up your understanding of what's going on. It does really help later on if you are able to break down a word like that. It really helps you later on when you're looking at full sentences. Here we've got the roi and the ba, roiba, box number 9. Roiba. Box 10, khayrun, khayrun, khayrun. Box 11, qawmi, qawmi. 12, kawka, kawkabun, kawkabun. Box 13, sharaw, sharaw, hu. There's no stretch there. Hu. Okay. Sharawhu. 14, ilay, ilayna, ilayna. La saw, la sawtu, la sawtu. There's loads of different ways of breaking these down. There's loads of different techniques that you can use. Okay, whatever works for you, that's fine. Alhamdulillah. The less extra sounds you have, or saying the fathatain, kasratain every time, the better. The best way to read is you look at it, you recognize what's there, and you just say it. That's the best way. Okay, but it comes with practice. So with this one, ghayri, ghayri. That's box 16. We're on to 17 now. Ghaway, ghawayna, ghawayna. Ilayka, awhaytu, yu'una. Box 21. Ataytuka, takhafa, Sulaymana. You'll notice now you've got quite a lot going on in these words. So you have to kind of like stay focused. Box 24. The ra, the ra, I, the ra, I, he, the ra, I, he. And we're on 25 now. Yuqi, yuqi, mu. Remember the qaf is full mouth, so it's qi, qi. Yuqimuna, yuqimuna. Next one, box 26. Aqi, aqi, bay, aqi, bay, he, aqi, bay, he. 27. Ha, mi. 27. Hami, ya, hamiyatun, hamiyatun. Box 28. Zawjay, zawjayni, zawjayni. On 29. Asaw, asawni, asawni. 30. Shafa, shafatay, shafatayni, shafatayni. Some people tend to stretch the ya when they're reading words like this. The lean, they tend to stretch it sometimes, which is incorrect. So it should not be tay, tay, that's wrong. Shafatayni, shafatayni. Okay. Ruwaydan, fa'awjasa. Box 33. Fa'aqaruha, fa'aqa. They're quick because they've got fatha on them, all of them. Fa'aqa, ru, ru. That stretches. Then you've got the ha. Fa'aqaruha. Box 34. Ya lay, ya layta, ya layta, ni, ya laytani. Box 35, sorry. Maw'i, maw'i, dha, maw'idhatan, maw'idhatan. And finally, fata, fata'a, lay, fata'alayna, fata'alayna. That's the end of the lesson. Jazakallahu khairan for joining me, and I hope you've benefited. If you did, or if you're confused about anything, or if you want to leave a comment, please do so. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. If you want me to check this page or any previous pages or any surahs, there's a collaborative playlist on this channel called Check My Tajweed. You can upload your own recording on there, and I'll have a listen, inshallah, and give some feedback if that's what you like. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next lesson. Assalaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.